Hi, it's Tracy and welcome back to my channel, and today I've got a supermodel workout. So back when I was a Pilates instructor, I had the pleasure of training some known supermodels. So I'm going to give you some movements, some exercises here that are going to train you, get you nice tight toned muscles, long and lean, so that you are ready to walk the catwalk. If you're new here, hello, I'm Tracy and I put out brand new fitness, wellness, and lifestyle videos every single week. So do make sure that you subscribe to my channel. And for everyone, right next to the subscribe button, there's a little bell. Click that so you get notifications every time I go live. So let's get started with this supermodel workout. So for this workout, you're going to need two pieces of equipment. You're going to need a fitness loop here. I love these loops because they tend to not rip. And you're going to need a set of weights. I'm using 3-pound weights. You could do 1, 2s, or 3s, or you could do this entire workout using no weights or equipment at all. So the first exercise that we're going to get started with is a sumo squat. So you're going to stand with your legs a little bit wider than hip width apart, externally rotated. The weights are going to be in front of you. Squat down, keep the chest lifted, the booty goes out. Come on up and squeeze it, all right? Bring it down and squeeze it. For your second exercise, you're going to take the loop here, bring it around your ankles like this, okay? And we're going to step out and do a band walk with a set of 30. So that means 1, and then 2. You see how I'm counting here? Challenging, all right? For the third exercise, you don't need anything. You're gonna come on down to the ground here. Now, you could keep your knees on the ground if you want to, or if you're like me, just pop the knees up, press the leg out. So on each side, you're gonna be doing 10 here. Squeezing the glutes, and then you'll do that on the other side, okay? Then you'll go into a long plank position here. Make sure your booty's not sticking out or sinking down, and 10 times, lifting up the leg behind you, and 10 on the other side. And for your final exercise, take your legs in a very wide position. Your back heel is lifted, the weights are back in your hands. Come on down into a squat position here, lift up here. So it's a little split lunge here, okay? And you are really making sure good form here, and then we'll do that on the other side. So the great news is you get to do those 4 exercises, 3 sets. So, woo, it is going to burn. You're definitely going to feel it. So if you want to do that workout with me in real time, I want to invite you to become a transformer in the Transformer Tribe. It is the best fitness community out there. So each month you get a brand new workout calendar telling you exactly what to do each and every day with full-length workouts that are available to you at the click of a button. You're also going to get the best fitness community out there, which is the Transformer Tribe. We hold each other accountable, we celebrate each other's success, and we really are a family. So I do hope that you join us. The link is down here in the description box, and that's all I've got for you today. So I hope to see you and welcome you into the Transformer Tribe, and I will see you next week. Okay, bye!